to the next day ne so me koye koduru court ho no say me lawyer be kasa on kasa na ruling ayeden aye ready say ye be remand me kotwa remand by no for the second appearance ne so no say lawyers no be kasa so on kasa o na ruling ayeden aye ready edi free Justice Bright Sam Akwa honom aye ready enti ne na me lawyers ne kan nyina bia na otwagu na enyensem ayeden ehia no because na the ruling ba bia se so give ruling ni free ebe redi kire no wage ayeden afri ho yakwaba na akire abe ba ye no court no ye ne say everyone is there bia no me kokko reporto Edema Ghana Police Service everyone is there na watwe atwa mu no me bebo mama ne atete a me koya me kokko fa mu na Director of Special Investigation set se wono me kokko duru ye na ne papa mu no every officer bi o bia na so taking me record no ogitum e ma me sign say my baba reporto me kokko duru o mo ka se wono ni ho a me nya kwanya ne police ni bia nyeren enkasa nti me tena ho almost 2 hours na me free police station ho eye de koy ene okuo yi ene nyina nim se ne ye wonaze nti na se me di mraso ye kekere oman ne de esese ma oman ne mra ye den eye adwuma nti na ye wonaze se the court kan ye no esese me comply with the court orders no nti nei anopa ebo no nkono na me lawyer akwa kopie mu ewo police asoye me duriye no case ba kono ye de bo me no ai no ntie ma me ko ho remand amprenu no afi na police force say omo ba beji charge sheet charge statement ya free me honam show mate ntimbisa omo say nti ke kwa me ko ho remand nyina mo de me ko court nyina no judge ne docket ne so na charge sheet nka ho ana charge statement nyeden enka ho omo say omo do omo gusu ye omo investigation tino mentwere charge statement njomo ma me paper na me twere me charge statement ne yese me twere me de ne nyina ma omo me wie ye no less than 20 minutes na ma twere me statement ya wie ye hwe animu so ombe kona another team of policemen who CID who say you under arrest ya chiubiem the same offense na omo de me call ya me call ho remand no police fu adana ani asana chimbiem this time no with se no first na IGP and Ghana police and ye complainant this time se no onu nanim sade me kan wa me nwanem free ho ada me call police me call police asoya ye remand me the next day yes an call ho no me wo ho na honorable Kennedy Japan ni bodyguard petition den ebreset se honu no asese honu na anaje ye bodyguard ni so humi ye den e baba chia me because onim me enti na ma wi a me kɔ no o matena siase na fremu ene dadua yi mene me lawyer kokoduru ye no sa bodyguard na odi petition ni bre honorable Kennedy Japan the other time no catcher almost say me use the platform no edidi ono Kennedy attempt ni said say hono ni IGP attempt no the same bodyguard ene dadua yi no wo CID aswe honom nti nayi complain yi eye honorable Kennedy Japan camp na siase and almost say me makasatia se wono na oye police officer no nti kwadu no nsesan this time no ma build another docket with the same charges na me call home remand no with a different police officer mo backing no internal saboteurs ifo ya mabo mudini e ka ho bi e no ma ye say such charges no ye the same ba ko na de me call ye no eno nso yi ano less than 15 minutes na nya obi na ba twere me brofo ama me less than 15 minutes na brofo asu paper na so fine me de ama omo se ye ma unko obi ane asese me call hospital 12 noon na se maduru hospital ho because complications ya menya ye bra me free remand ba ko ba ye na me guso ye den ehwe ase ye be free me say ye ma wo call hospital wo be wu ha wu nti omo detain me anopana 9 ebesi anyumre 5:30 p.m. and sana ye ma me bail of 1 million Ghana cedis enti atiefo mo amote ye say ya tsena ti abronye ya tsena ti enokore ya che me ba kwaduro mo de bo me ni nyina no ene ba ko no nyina difference bi anim enti mo hu counter propaganda bia a free social media from Canada Japan camp na nkrofo ewo WhatsApp platform so ka se nye nokore da say o mati abronya omunim ni o maye enti omudi kana ba be ka so ni amu ni social media na ye live fon ye nti abronya bia no omunim ni o maye enne ne nkrofo no mo osi ya di ho but omudi kane aba be ka se nye nokore da nyame ncha de ya mami bail obi a yenchi ne se de Canada Japan crofo pese MPP fo hu no ya mami bail omo ombe sign bail no ana me bo omudin ba ko de ya agesa akode ana Moses Aboya MPP former regional youth organizer Greater Accra omunyina bae ana former security operations o Jubilee House boyo womunyina ba entino mo mpese mo hu nokore na nane apiem say yes and police sanche me as say no bail condition na o police fo no na machinations ya ekoso enintino nti me bisa omo say court kora ma be no ma say but police fo ma be omo say 1 million Ghana cedis bail nti yenya surety fo a wo mayere asensa we will take it from there but ye manen so wana obi aso ntimi nyere enka obi anum tun wo kroma se mo obi anka na dwene ye bekan ya dwene ne ye kɔ da bi aso ye beba ho me mamwate ase se se mo de chie ene bedum ye mu binum ja ene mo forget enu nti na ne me duru police station no CID investigator ne ba be bisa me say unum dotwa na wo shiwi na me se me shi bonto na me shi emumu bia no ohwehwe me moja mu a wonya bara sam ka chen se me shi bonto nti ono apa ne ope bia no ontwere nhye ho bara odi me gina na ye hwehwe me moja mu a sa nsam na no bisa bia ehu hia all because mo pe bibibi at the stop program no se program ni kotia ban se ekotia encrophobia almost within the party omo pe president adi by force etino sa abronya ko shem na so timi ma mekan asem then they are grown na mudi no kra pa ni se onu na on inspector general aye one with the support of Honorable Canada Japan any abandoned crofo no I will make sure said the conduct of said sewonu o tiemia momanenti wow hwem bia mon kan kire say achere kra no by Monday na sewonu ni petition aduru UN and all the appropriate courtesy be as me de ko as a police officer within Ghana and outside Ghana. Babia me de conduct be ko petition be as say me de ko babia etia setse wonu within Ghana and outside Ghana. International communities ni nyina babia ni Africa babia se so fanen ho me report to ni bia no so your unprofessional police officer no I will do it. Etima obi ntina babi nyana dwen say me memre mo so antena sabotage no esa mo se akwa na mo na eko no akwa no pane enko body ni mu o esa mo ti ase sa say me you can't push me You can't push me. And so once a man and kasa, you can't push me. And this a me and kasa me kase. My guy. Until you can't push me. Some person ye jai mo sem kandia. Stop the propaganda, number one. Because I want your propaganda now, maybe I set a record straight. And no never damage you. And then I have a so I can't say me campaign the best. So what nasi obvious studio ne with TV station na guonu. So the bed damage one sorry presidential aspirant because we say ono na be the eventual winner. And you know better damage din attempt dia. And the monka won say ne beba da piano eson. Because a habula te kakra bi etimu ntino I don't know when you propaganda nentro because I need there from now to 31st in the Obian to mean stop. The party leadership to mean stop. Court to mean stop. Police to mean stop. Abiding to mean stop. Abiding better stop our brain. Abiding to me. Until more a bomb power within the government in the use police, ye intimidate your brother, na brother Sabaya, Obe Krosu, or yet Muntimin Krosunu da. Opiani ho. As I would jitum Sadiana Moy, if you can't beat them, you join them. If you can't beat them, you join them. Intimidate someone who say, me the intimidation there. Me fan say me huratra ayo nti mamon fama but ye be face no ye pa mo hu say me nso me ye fully prepared say me dey me to say justice toko no what the unya pick fight with me dia me no be ko awie because any kwansa o man kwasa na o man da ho wo mreko a wo man nokora nyeren enadi internal sabotage amoti arrest na amoti social media from Honorable Kennedy Japan Kampwa mo se enye nokore no ne mo ye ya enam so amokọ ka ban mu nkrofo because ye nim say in this contest ope candidate ya NDC party no ne NDC aban e support na e Honorable Kennedy Japan in this contest in the MPP presidential primaries meetings NDC aye eba ne say na ne Kevin Taylor na ye campaign ma Canada Japan eba ne na appear stadium num nyina tena radio so a Canada Japan no mo ye campaign ema no eye meeting o makọ say 2028 no ba omia ye de na kọ abato da eba as a candidate a emwa NDC party no because NDC poll woman the new presidential candidate in Ababa. And the NDC everything possible. Sa MPP subenya a new presidential candidate near Yiba Umiayede Asinchen. And now all the social media ne Facebook ne WhatsApp so yen twaba phone nyinano eye NDC followers ya. Wo ma heda to o magum. Na nyame ya adoma next month no ye be hu communication e be koso in favor of the NDC from in favor of NDC from the NDC side in favor of Honorable Kennedy Japan Monfanchem Sante the whole of the day ye deny me so ye deny me say I can't even move until since morning be sin na me mote ye kasai no me no munso me nidi ye ne nyina ye atete omode me ye dey efam but ye momati ase say alliance sia me no mo kasai no MPP presidential aspirant no open ye oni NDC akọ alliance a Honorable Kennedy Japan e ba ne say na Honorable Kennedy Japan UN General Assembly otimi to free Ghana fa eko US eko sia eko ye meeting with some government officials. Mumisano, sa oko US no, empayifo ban na wa ban mu a, one no wo mokoye meeting, e fa ne presidential ambition no. Na sembe no mo ka kire no. enti NDC pia omo pia Canada Japan nyina no aye ne NDC benya aye den afiri mu at the end of the day because one ono na efo ena niama Canada aye no wo krom hanom no afena omo bepe screen kese NDC nya campaign 2028 that is a fact omo nya campaign 2028 and once on bepe screen kese no mo de si district capital bia no mo de ko wura areas no no mo botre amanfo enipa oso pe president ento mo pia na tiko amanisika a support no omo de na ba be hye MPP kon ye wia no mo yino ade a kire se enipa na MPP de ne baaye no suban we na nsem fata e wo no ho na edini di president enye den enye yie Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dia na akọ kan fa no ho 2028 abato aye babeko. Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia MPP delegates. Yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ne call the next election. Asembem pa na ukọ kan e dia fa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ho. Asembia ni ho. Enti NDC ani abrese krodom at 24/7 Canada Japan Canada no multi Facebook ai me say plan ma fan say MPP for mo ni na ho Canada Japan no mu si aye no plan ya ono no dia ma NDC for na NDC for de ba no say NDC ni no ko social media no ye video ai me NDC ni de na mo Canada Japan ba matwa ba ma MPP eya adwuma ya hihye ne wodam ena omode ba ete sene maame ahihye ne duku no de ko akoton no wayi ase eniama na mo wonu social media no eya Canada Japan ni NDC fo na ahihye ne se ayi ase duku ayeton enti sa niama no mafiri ase amuhu ai me NDC ni de na mo Canada Japan ba matwa ma no eya adwuma o ma hihye ne wodanum ana NDC fo no bia firi ase wo no wa hye NDC atade me NDC ni de na mom Canada Japan ba meto eya adwuma o ma hihye because see am no ka say NDC research o ma ye eda ho for election 2024 ne say won be lose power with any candidate bia NDC be yi no se Bawumia na ekọ 2028 ya asema me kan NDC mpanyfo a program omfa ni agro mo hwe omunim se ebia omunkofo na bi na afa akire ede ade na yeden abreme enunti na omuhia meeting a NDC timihia na ayi wo national executive meeting no ma wo no omunkofo no se mo amo na bronye ye free no mo nya careful mo na mo di information koma no no bia na di information breme no bia na di information breme information e to de dina ye beto ya ka kire m pay to eduru de dina ga kudi ganama eduru de dina ye de ga kudi ganama be fam ni age ti ye de emfa ho ye de ye business ye business na meti ase eduru de dina metui age na me kom ba bi oh ya batua na yade nti yiwani information ni so ma access say ye krogi na ya tua na yade na aba ade obi ade ya tia obi a oba bia an mi tua ma na obi so bedidi enti sa bayi life no ma free ase ye ni social media wo be no ahye NDC atade o me NDC na mom Canada ba eye NDC mpanyufo okọ US meeting omokoye ye nse ye beboa presidential primaries no because ye NDC for the yempe Bawumia eye da MPP for kọ abato na NDC timi sori kase ye the presidential candidate we ni yepe no na mom yempe we na kuo no ye ne NDC for na ye ana ye ne MPP for na ye because kuo no aye MPP kuo enti ye ni ye hia ni ye decide say ye di nipa sumasi na ye den ekọ entana elections na ye bekọ no NDC peso wo mo kire so nipa we ana ombeyi na ye den amaye no mo wi a NDC fo kura ya beka se MPP internal elections no wo mo na decide maaye no mo na yi Canada Japan man na fe the NDC fo na because 20 open elections here NDC as a ruling party esro pa free time wo mo ti NDC amanyoku a 33 years ago open elections NDC ba be ko musro pa free time wo mo ti amanyoku we ya election 2028 adentia enene election a wo mo kwa niantia me kai Ghana for se munima munim niantia and this is through election 2028 no MPP for mon sanu for madwene mra madawroma anwumrei mo somfo mo lebrani mo akoa duru dia dena ye de be dia wi dia be kwa akodi aba ne ya ba betenase NDC ewo abatuo nkukuo electoral defeat who history ewo Ghana ha Mobakaya in 1998 ya kosu nwane no na kufuo akwa elections alusu with close to 1.5 million votes 1996 election no until 98 ya kosu nwane kra de ken ne kwoto aba Kofi Kuradu JT Mensa nom na nado danko akofo ado nom sa election na nado to second na yesande kofo bai kofo ye old candidate against NDC new candidate and not your vice presidential candidate Ghana for MPP for yakokoto aba no hwan na we ne ye etime kan ne atre MPP for say history now history is about to repeat itself 25 years ago and as our history ni pie ya told the year 2000 abano 25 years near 2028 not 28 years and this the new candidate ebe face MPP old candidate here and this lusu here MPP for me twema adwena si bibiso montia ne ye the year 1998 ye repeat kofo no now running say several year the year 2000 and the NDC kokwa ye omo election somewhere in 1999 and omo yi Professor J.E. Mess that anakofo ye campaign almost a year and almost a vice president in it so into a wodini and fa J.E. Mess by John Evans Atames no a new candidate from the NDC side and a Kufuor former president Kufuor Miyama Kunta or ye old candidate from the MPP side ye de kwa 10 times one Kufuor no kone down flat I'm a J.E. Mess and sorry be Oba biem osan no ko no flat Saba kwa sem no na me kai MPP delegates say NDC de a new candidate ebe face president Kufuor no NDC lost na NDC atena se ahun say no the year 2000 ye present new candidate no we lost. This time you see a MPP present old candidate say woman. And this is personal lusu. Sa 4 years baby lusu. And this yam si mo because the year 2000 no mo lusu abano. And no cry antima mo sa because no more the power 8 years. But this time no omo baby the power 4 years no mako. Because and this year who say near 2 or the year 2000 our a new candidate ebe face old candidate or muko fieno sade no be repeat 2028 enti yenya ye betim bia na yen support to Canada Japan no meye new candidate of MPP na NDC so the new candidate badia na yese apetesi oginisi o ye nyina ya bro pepepe ene ye mfa moso ne ye ntintim ne nsanye because so your old candidate here votes no bi wo ho no ma aboa no da ho dada e de maw a woni bi ampere amanyokuo no mienu nyina enim saade we e da ho a woni obi ampere sa votes na e wo ho dada de ma Bawumia no eno na ndi simpese be baso because Bawumia be benefit from certain votes as a former presidential candidate or sana yeden ababiem but a new dia new candidate mienu dia votes no free fan na akwa mo nyina mo start afresh Bawumia on start afresh eno na ndi si akwhye Kennedy Japan ochi na ono Kennedy Japan camp na ekire MPP fu aye intimidate omo MPP fu aye mafia omo MPP fu aye victimize omo na omo wi omo dia bet social media say yenchi obi a enei ukwa WhatsApp so a ne nkrofo ne kasa edema Ghana Police Service yati we yenchi we yati we yenchi we yati we yenchi we the kind of person yene no yere ewo MPP mu na wabisa ho say adentina NDC fu aye wade say Kennedy Japan no mo pe no adentia ekire bibi say NDC be ka tro say MPP ni we no mo pe no ma committee ahihye adwuma dada enti saniema mo hu no me NDC ni me yese na mo Kennedy ba o ma ahihye adwuma because NDC mpe Bawumia na MPP ni so a as Saudi two team say party a wona ne be kontokwako e ka tro se wadie we ompa e na chi wadie ntifa na chi wadie no fa kan no nwu quality sa na ye no NDC atre so mo mpe Bawumia ye o ma chi wadie e se mo de sa chi wadie ne ka NDC na NDC wu eno na se MPP delegates mo ye mo adwuma e ye 31st no na ye de ye tintim intimidation ne de enkosi hu makane sawie no eniema bi kwaso esese o man ne ye hwe ne ye den ye kan ho asem ne di kan MPP 8 years enkura 1.2 to 1.3 million ena nana do aban etimi do o mo ko secondary school yetimi do o mo ko secondary school na akura bia ni wa okoya ye be ka tro say to boots to uniform to way enkura no so kwa ye enforce nkura ne se chinchina headmaster bi eton uniform wa ha because na uniform ne exercise books ye dey e free enei enam campaign ensem fata aban ne ye any secondary school heads of schools no ye nintino and yet schools nyina but some secondary schools be ewo Ghana ha demonstration ba omo so this month ye ne awofo no nyina ba ye demonstration kese atia secondary schools binum ewo Ghana ha ekwana headmistress and headmaster for fatwo abanya diatum say akofo do not talk school ntade de mankura abanso ntiminto ontiminti enkura na ento uniform near secondary schools no binum headmistress and headmasters na ye ne say wo mapam ntade na gu ho wo mo yirenom na eton wama yirenom wama pamontade na guwo ana omo ton se wo ya akora na sa ban se koto uniform a wontimi nkonkoto mfiri abonten de se headmaster na headmistress no ni kunu store wa bie no secondary school wo na the secondary school one eye dwam a montimi nkodwam nkoto ade because akora kokoto uniform efiri abonten akora kokoto ne trunk a ode ne niema begum ade kwa na headmistress and headmaster no wa reject say trunk in Sanfa ko because one ton school mu ha. Yewura President Mahama ne ekwaso ewo over 70% of the secondary schools so ewo Ghana eno no entade na wo se nkura na ento no ababa ye mra say akura na ento amfiri headmaster na headmistress ya otombi o school mu ha sakura no onko school and asema me kan adwadifo a wo moton trunk adwadifo a moton senior high prospectus wa every 4 years bia aban ne tua school fees ni wia na wo fo na tia sidwam akwakoddi dwa to mo niema no ene sa adwadifo no nim say enkora ne ma mo wo biem because headmaster for na headmistress for no ebinum agi business na wo mo ye nti sa adwadifo no nyina wo ton senior high schools who prospectus no and no much more no na wo ya ban adwuma na so koye provision store e wo secondary school na the officer ye headmistress and I headmaster not the officer provision store no and a sika woman resign from your position na ye provision in ho adwuma na ankra o mo so awie university a wo mo so be ye sa adwuma no bi mo mo maye because wo dia to won say overturn prospectus resign from your position akoton prospectus no na wontimi nyusu position no as a headmistress and a headmaster na wo di school mo say me wo trunk ni bi wo ha a me ton enti wo ya akora wa meto bi wo ha parent na ntan free ha me pamo wo banade machine no matwam admission letter before answer na ubenya admission letter no sister Ghana series ebinom je 150 Ghana series PTA ebinom tua 500 ebinom tua 700 Ghana aden bonin ben na Ghana for aya mosi Akufo-Addo abanye Akufo-Addo ye kromfo Akufo-Addo ne na busuafo se Ghana ena Akufo-Addo busuafo ni wo ene eye President John Mahama ono ni gonja mafia so na ebu man no enti nei wo mo na agigi school fees na ye bisamo ene yanka se President Mahama ne ni gonja mafia fo na agigi school fees na it's a question I say President nanka se yi ano se mire bi atwama niama no nya na se President Mahama na timi ka se e ya tem mafia fo ene se o man na ene PTA babi 700 babi 500 Ghana series and now me no kasa no so auto uniform schools no bi wo ha headmaster no be catch you say uniform no ne me wo school mo no one ton so koto free babi a oba no me nyi no and e wono ba no nko ono a won trunk e wo school mo ho say one ton me trunk ne bi amfa ma oba no dia me man admission etine adwadifo a womudi senior high school hu dwa nyina no efa prospectus ho no womato baha areho aka omo amanfo so kra sikasa ne niwa wombeto niema no ne wo sikaso ya hye ne say one ton wo school mu wa wo do ba ne ba dia man admission da ben ana de to be ye force ade to ye me right se me kodwam ntina ye frɛ no edwam no e kire se ohwehwɛ ma no wayi ne opɛ and ntina ye frɛ no market no market ne se ukɔ run so obenya twice and na de free senior high nkora na omu ni twice a omu de to wo mo a omu niama etietia wo mo fa ahudie so wo mo constitutional right and a headmistress and this headmasters binum etietia so some schools and that's has to banner dia emwa me be ko school aban se uniform no aban ba ko no de ma free me mfa ma free enti me kopa me uniform ata na school na ye mra se me de na wan to de na oba no on school mu ha me kopa me trunk ata wo se me trunk me ma ye de aba school mu ha no wan to na on school mu President Mahama Samamu we na okaso babebu di amayente and na me catch up play. Ministry of Education nane hwewiem free senior high. Ye the free nanadu free senior high no nyame ya adoma memende be ye koye na yie because free senior high na wu aningwasia kan free senior high no awu entu be free time na beba no ne ye agensa tibia maw ene de se duru wana sa petesi na ebetima to anoma ne ye ebedi be jaw bia butua panyin ne de jaw no apetesi na ebeto ana ato are ya no an se na amere ana ne adeto eye force say this auto headmistress niema ana headmaster niema ansa na ba ko secondary school e de ntre wo market wo da ben na secondary school be ye dwa da ben na secondary school be ye dwa ya bia various market say nkrofo ni dwa wom enti e so bia tisi dwam ekodi ni dwa mo se nwunran na e trunk na ma me ni kodwama e na ahokyira ba ebi kro benya ne 600 no na headmaster de to school mo turn 900 Ghana na turn 1000 Ghana na turn be 2000 na onyamfa so ma wo mreko a sa de kro na no ma me ni tisi dwama obenya ne less than your school ne de man no enso ababe ye nhye enti na free education na ne man ye na do amuso ye Idi Amin ebu sama muwe na do amuso ye corrupt no etimi nya sika e ma uniform ye free mo amose mo nya corrupt no enya uniform enya free. Let us draw the comparison and see ne ye corrupt na do amuso ye na mamuwe ye corrupt no otimi ma free exercise book free and nkra ne na eto omade na do pension na admission letter ye free and na admission letter e 60 Ghana to 150 Ghana ha. Yes, and cry we try na no day muji obi 500 Ghana wo mo call all public schools muji obi 500 Ghana wo mo call all public schools enti edia tete na mo de san cry yi kom sa mudi awofo no kom sa no wakoto niema adifode na wo pa awofo abunu nti why bo no times 3 because my many person kwa ne bako school nti enti oduru wa wan tome de ene oba no enti school mu ha eh na Ministry of Education for mo wa here Ministry of Education mo wa here His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who were funny you. A year, someone see a new meeting, Chia Bronya dear. Come on, take a decision, Dada. A year, someone year meeting, and Chichama won't to mean to ma. Come on, America, come on, ya. Someone see a fat plan say, a Bronya no wound to me, dear. Ya better tea or more coppins on the woo free yasino, and not your more dear. Na mo mania ma ekoso no de mo nhwenka ho asem eno a ye kan se ene ne governance no mo nhwenka ho asem na nkrofo tete awofo tete wo mo prospectus wo dwam a wo tua tax no wo mo tete sa headmistress ne sa headmasters for na wo mo di dwa o school mu no mo misa so wo tua tax ma hwan bada dwadifo no kokotena ho a na giare fo na mo so tete o mo taxi akese eno mba betuatua mo so bia nka ho asem because mo hye agenda me the agenda mo hye ba beduru manima ejabetom agenda bia mo ba hye beduru manima ejabetom because me nsuro na me ka kire o enti da bia mo nya meeting se mo nkofa abronye anwumre kura no mo nsa mefa me nko anwumre ya me firi am nsa mefa me nko obi ansuro obi okroma Yawie no ne ye court chief justice Asama former auditor general aka ye say lawyer Oyikwe Otu no ye former chief justice lawyer no documents bi wo ha or present ya na ye fake. You see near the kind say even chief former Chief Justice Tokono eba abonten ebeka wo Daniel Domlevo ho asem ana ne lawyer ebeka kire say what attitude ana wo danadi e wo committee level no e partisan woni right. You don't have the right. Pe lawyer bia no nka kire o bisa o lawyer tadu sorry lawyers na omu gigina mu ye machination no bisa no committee na okoda so no per the constitution our powers to say high court until position na okọ so as a member no na wo ye adwuma say high court judge so unima na wo ye adwuma say high court judge Daniel Domlevo say unima committee na wo call so a mudi remove Justice Tokono no na wo ye adwuma say high court judge and you need any right say matters ye esi ye no e wo committee nanim no wo na baba ka say we ye say who need that right no bisa lawyer ni bia no kan kire woni untimi kan kire me say because of say committee no aye na dwuma wie enti no akwanya na wo emayi akwanya na oni emire bia ubetimi dia disclose certain informations no this time around no because of say committee na wie na dwuma no automatically no what we the right not to disclose certain information no we the right not to disclose certain information was our committee so as a member no is still hanging ati niedi kan kra no wo ba bonte abakire niema e course wo committee no as a member no eno no kra kire say one wo ignorant and immature so far as some matters near day a concern. That's the first point. The second point here, Daniel Domlevo media so na mu ye dede na mom eba ngoma sua wadwene ye below the bed. Akwanya bi ena monya ena mokọ serve as a auditor yenke kama sinsie ni yenkasa afi we sika se na mu yusu ye ne ade na mo de tena kroma dede ye ka ngoma pa yesua ne french ma enkrofo ngoma ewo kroma yesua yese obi asua de no heda nim no Daniel Domlevo si ye free wo fade no as a chartered accountant ngoma no enkoba bia no ayede ma wo betima kan an interpret na wa chekire mu pefe me ka tro plain ye nim adam krofo a wo mu kita wo fade ne bia wo ma ben no ma ben in all angles wo ma ben ba wo de ne de wo ye limited to sa wo chartered accountant na wo ye no me ka tro plain. Until there are certain matters here, and Tina Kroma will be who say because what Tina Kroma and our arrogant to yourself say, one of the anti-corruption crusader, but you are corrupt. And our yo who say Ghana Hano won't kwan out in it. Near the kind second is to a memo what Tiasian say. Committee na nkasa. Ye de oto so a remove Justice Tokono no wo Daniel Domlevo issues na nkasa no na ebase yen church matters eba ye de remove na meka kire say deficit bi be ebe kam hono wo lack who sense and knowledge yenyintum sa na meka kire eniema enam so ayede ko committee ni so no wo de ne say yamfo wankɔ so sɛ wo nimdeɛ papa bia wo kɔ akɔkyerɛkyerɛ yɛde wo kɔ so sɛ kɔyɛ na ka sɛ I concur because wo mpetoko no asɛm ɛna wo party a wo don NDC no ɛde wo kɔ so watsɛm a wo kan yɛ kyerɛ sɛ issues no na wo nte aseɛ enso ɛde wo kɔtena mu all because Daniel Domrevo wo mpetoko no asɛm because what the kanaka say who the case called Supreme Court ama Justice Tokono a new case in ntem and because of that remaining power sem enti ube deny no so na den sa constitutional case ben and a single judge transudi wasema wo kan ya wo single out Justice Tokono say what the constitutional interpretation about the age, so-called age of which I'll come to that, at the court Supreme Court, I was single out. Justice Tokono say, what the assembly call no one near 17 time amount, constitutional case bang, and under the 1992 constitution, single judge, our chief justice bet maternal to the amount. A chesa wo kasa, and 70 be wa. What lack common sense and understanding issues no. What lack legal knowledge as well. Yamra sama o kan say. Honorable equal to a presenting fake appointment letter. E hona na me ti interview no e wo do FM anam hun say. Akwa we no oye empty. Me ti interview na nam hun say we empty. Ne ani kan what say or presenting fake appointment letter. Now I'm for warrant anyere ama na ye appoint you as a chief justice ya e warrant ne de ma wo e hwana nam hun say wa feri. And so way na media house so bi wo krom hanoma wo mo sora wo fi so wo nyansa ama nti asem bia ba ono ne yemfre no. Mami edikatu ni edikan every judge bia ye be appointing bia no judge bia ye be appointing bia wo Ghana ha and under the 1992 constitution no eniema mienu ne yede ma no ni edikan a warrant of appointment signed by the president tie ni ye na chena no wankogu ho anim ase wo baabi. Warrant of appointment signed by the president himself. Every judge be a wokrom hano me pe one judge ya obeba bonte abeka say oye judge na mom oni warrant president na assign mana owo Ghana ha. I just want one judge to come out. Just one judge to come out. Say me dem ye judge na mom ni warrant of appointment ya president na assign no warrant of appointment signed by the president. Me chira kwana ye de judges in form. No wa pa lawyer so no ma chira constitutional law ni ye wa masen. Until warrant of appointment the president in a sign and we are number 1. Would you warrant of appointment in we are number 1, number 2? A appointment letter and also no signed by the judicial secretary. Warrant of appointment, you know, and can condition of service wasem that be a warrant of appointment signed by the president into condition of service. But some ye bet ya say ye be yo say over that bangalo way anyway over to any subi warrant of appointment in status animal. Now we are number 2. Appointment letter na judicial secretary be sign no e ho no be state ni say as a judge no but some ye betu aka say ye be ma forward say ye be ma travel I travel policy say e be cover ukunu ana e be cover wo ma na no so no ye de aka ho enu judicial secretary and sign asem na mo de call committee na nim no me ma wati ase say asem na call committee na nim no na nye warrant of appointment once na mokwa akoka issue be the issue before the committee ne say Justice Toko no condition of service. And what's them na mo de koye? Because the main ground of a unit of the petition is say, what to kwan and a bush na for binum yade e ka ho. Enti ye ma obi adwuma as a chief executive. Na samo say what to kwan de na bush na for bi aka ho de a de na ode baba ba kire e appointment letter. And ode baba ba kire because appointment letter and a steady obi condition of service. Warrant of appointment, you know. Yen steady condition of service ya den ewom enti Daniel Domlevo tieni ye no anko gu wani macho ba bi no wabon ja se unim bibibia okroma no na onwoma sua no ayeketua bi ja se unam one radio station to another e disgrace wo no enti committee no petition obedi call ye ne say the former Chief Justice Toko no ade ne mamienu atu kwan enti no ne ebe kire say ese so de ne matu kwan aye appointment letter a containing conditions of service ewom enti o present appointment letter na maka no wom say na only warrant of appointment. What do you mean? What do you mean? Enti na se kodi warrant of appointment ba. The issue before the committee no mon kan wa babia da se ma me nye chief justice. Me mamanfo ahuni enti adomrevo wa bon no. Senka the issue before the committee ni ye whether or not say Justice Tokono was duly appointed by President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and a warrant of appointment no be ebe hia e wo committee nanim. Because Justice Tokono position as a chief justice no mon deny say oye onye chief justice o mon deny say onye chief justice in the first place na mum condition of service mo say abusuafo bi kan ne tu kwan mamienu ana mo ka ho asem nti mo dia tunto ye chief justice na mum expenditure bia sa expenditure in a normal yetimi ma affected party no reimburse ana o mo say charge o mo say auditors ba ye say charge o mo esida bia ama o mo refane ede mom na mom we dia motan no enti mo am reverse ana say man say charge o mo ama man refane ba motan nti musu onkofi enti that issue na ye in contention no ni a demanding a appointment letter and your warrant of appointment. Please stop exhibiting your ignorance about this issue. Let it end there. Stop exhibiting that ignorance. Say obi condition of service who basem na so appear before the committee and your warrant of appointment in ediko na mum appointment letter in ediko. Now let me come back to who Daniel Domlevona upese kroma nyina no obi ahun so ye sentino ne edikan ye fa say O-level graduate Ghana Education Service Daniel Domlevona say na me bekan yo owie O-level no and a Ghana Education Service for recruit no no mo suma no nto mo recruit no 1st October 1978 Ghana Education Service that time mo recruit Daniel Domlevo no 18 years in the sense say ni date of birth for time Ghana Education Service for fan adwuma no oye ni date of birth no 1st June 1960 montie ni ye onipa no nam kromo so ye sentino Ghana Education for fan adwuma 1978 no 1st October 1978 no ni date of birth oye no 1st June 1960 meaning at that time na ni ye fan adwuma 78 no 18 years pepepe fine na tam na Ghana Education Service for fan adwuma no Senate form Daniel Domrevo fele ye no o fele ye say wanya 18 years near wo no 1 June 1960 ni hometown eye Agbetofe ewo Togo muntie ni yo nipa ba ko te Ghana ha oso o ma ne ho o ma ye ho ntoye no 1978 ye ma na dwuma na Ghana ye wo fa ahodie no ne ye die ho se Ghana no ono kroso ba Ghana benya adwuma Daniel Domrevo no enti ono an state ye signed by him in 1978 say ni hometown ba bia ofiri onye Ghana ni ono na state ye obi na ka che na no Daniel Domrevo na ka che no ho etwere ye sign ye say onye Ghana ni na ofiri Agbetofe ewo Togo obia nim sa Agbetofe ewo Togo ntie ne ye obi na ono an fele Senate form wo fele Senate form ye bisa hometown and no say ni hometown Agbetofe ewo Togo meaning say at the time kura na ni ye man adwuma 1978 Ghana Education Service no nya Ghana ni yenko yenim oye adwuma wo Ghana Education Service with the O level no ana owura mu no ye distance bi wo UPS nkakra eti somewhere 1993 no wa qualify as a chartered accountant enti ohun say the certificate ye den ekosoro enti yes say Senate form no me kwasesa no na me di bibihye ho enti time Daniel dai Domrevo kwasesa ne Senate form no okoduru ye no ni date of birth for this time no wanya no 1 June 1960 biem ni date of birth no oye no 1 June 1961 na say this time no watini mfie no so because on person obeko pension term change of beneficiary form was Senate ho or signed on 25th October 1993 and all year the date of birth 1st June 1961 baako ye 1961 June baako ye 1st June 1961 nipa baako this time around no muntie ha ye first one Daniel Domrevo krom ha osi ye nya no first one ni hometown oye no ayi Agbetofe ewo Togo enya Ghana 25th October 1993 all some beneficiary form exercise the date of birth for at the birth 61 no this time the hometown no oye no adan say there on free Agbetofe biem ewo Togo na say there ono watima sesa a transmogrify ababeye adani until the records was signed 25th October 1993 was senator yisuno were free Agbetofe aye no hometown as he said in the hometown aye ada 1993 yemiye ufa Daniel Domrevo ne passport number A454800 womo issue no 28 February 1996 untiane ye so ufa Daniel Domrevo ne passport wa womo issue man 1996 passport number A454800 issued on February 28 February 1996 ya date of birth no oye no 1 June 1960 meaning it's a 1st June no ababe mienu one person okita date of birth e mako mienu date of birth mako mienu this time around who your passport to our hometown this time around Daniel Domrevo na oti kroma osi oye anti-corruption crusader no muntie babi odi ni hometown sambai this time also nye adani biem na mum 1996 ne passport no also nya dani biem se said ye wasana sesa a transmogrify ababe asante disi kronkron a ye frɛ no prempe the first tanipa we na nenam krom ha o se yenya no na corruption onu na betima tu ase corruption ben ene chen ade we adam domrevoaye obi a okita hometown mako 3 when wa Ghana ha okita hometown mako 3 from Agbetofe ayewo Togo ofiri 1993 no wasana sesano no waye no hometown adan ofiri 1996 3 years later no wasesa ne hometown from adan no abeye no Asante Kumasi ene ono no te ha se enkrofo bi e corrupt eti remove am from office ono no kire se obi di fake yinam on tiate se yem prosecute nkrofo all because what the sign fake anti-corruption yi no efi so benya civil society organization bi ama mata na chi eti ni party aba nti ono no ba be ye dede okroma eti obi antimi nka asem u profile ana me dia to no be challenge profile no na me dia to be challenge ye di besia because ene the whole day e braba